Hey guys, wagwan, it's your girl Kissy Unstoppable, and today, I'm not in the kitchen today, but I'm gonna bring you a video with Thermos talking about honoring Jamaicans to be national hero while they are alive. You know the saying, say, no scatter roses while me gone, do it when I'm alive. So guys, if you are not already subscribed to my channel, what you wait for? Run go subscribe and please hit that post notification button so you know each time your girl upload a video, put a like on the video. Let me take you guys into the video right now.
That's not progress. It just goes to show like say we Jamaicans still full up of nothing but bad mind that we can't even honor a man who is alive. We rather give to the dead. That no make it better. I'm not depend.
Turn my music high. JJ Sims.
I go to war, I fight for you. Even when I've left, I do right by you. I'll be your everything, your blue sky.
Tell them.
I go to war, I fight for you. Even when I've left, I do right by you. I'll be your everything, your blue sky.
Yeah, I'll make the impossible so possible. No need to dream.
Hey, you know, so me not understand what this big fuss about Bob Marley, making Bob Marley being national hero. It come like Jamaica backwards we are going, we're not doing no progress. That progress we are dealing with. Progress. Make we deal with progress, brother. Progress. See? Me sure say there are a lot of great men from Barbados who passed on. They not tend them no national hero, brother. Man, they pass and gone. You understand? We have so many people right now who are alive who have done great things in the earth, who can become national heroes. Yes? Both and heroine, both man and woman. So why they not say Usain Bolt national hero? Why they not say Ilian Thompson national hero? Why? Bob Marley, big respect to Bob. Bob done great things. Yes, we love that. And we not take nothing from Bob, nothing from Marley. You understand? But what I'm saying is, Bob already left Earth. You understand? Making Bob a national hero, Bob not even gonna know that. Bob not gonna know that, brother. So we not make up fuss about making Bob national hero because Barbados make Rihanna national hero. A joke thing that come like we are go backwards while other countries going forward, brother. That's not progress. It just goes to show like say we Jamaicans still full up of nothing but bad mind that we can't even honor a man who is alive. We rather give to the dead. That no make it better. I'm not depend that fam. If we never give Bob when he was alive, why you give him national hero now? A dead man. Man dead. Marcus Garvey them dead. Big respect to them and them teachings and them works and everything with them done. But we have to look to who is alive now and doing it. Yeah. Usain Bolt done great things. Why not one though? We know waiting when Usain Bolt pass now. God forbid. We know waiting when Usain Bolt left Earth now. Then you know make up nice and make Usain Bolt national hero. We know go away with that, man. Move no crocus bag of garbage from the gate and go away. Who wanna go with that? Make the man a national hero. Usain Bolt, national hero. Or what's your name? Shelly and Fraser. Or what's your name? Ilian Thompson. Or Shaggy. Or look at what Bounty Killer. Beanie Man. You know what I mean? Honor these people who are alive. So that the youths who are coming can, you know what I mean, adapt something from these people and want to be like these people and make a better, and then we can create a better society. I think, in my opinion, that, you know what I mean, we tell a man dead and them say I'm a national hero or honor him. That no make no sense, fam. That no make no sense. They should have honored Bob when Bob was alive. Now Bob died and passed and gone and know nothing what go on. Where you thought what you gonna make Bob national hero? Why that, man? Different times now, brother. All the money them want to put be a dead people. That's why the money them have no use. The money them have no strength. The money them have no values. Put live people for the money them. Honor live people. Honor live people who are alive. Usain Bolt is alive. Honor him. Bounty them alive. Honor them no. Honor these people. Muta Baruka. Honor him. And done great things. You understand? No, I don't want to tell you about make Bob. I make up nice about make Bob national hero. What benefit I got this to Jamaica? Honor somebody who is alive, man. Like what them Anna Rihanna. She's alive. Rihanna. She can pull. Can make the economy of Barbados improve. Because she's alive. She can still do more things. Bob can't do anything more again. You understand? So we not have a joke thing not deal with, brother. Call like a, you don't want to say alive, so no rather say give to you there. Give what you wish dead, man. Man not dead, brother. Come on, Jamaica, man. I want to deal with, man. Big up to Bob. Yeah. We applaud Bob when Bob done. But he can't do what Bob done already. But people are here doing great things right now who can be honored. One more way to them dead? No. Me say Usain Bolt, national hero. Me say Shelley and Fraser. Me say Ilian Thompson. Me say Rodney Price. Me say Moses Davis. Me say Shaggy. I say Muta Baruka. I see these people as people who have done great things in earth. They understood. A lot of them can be national hero. We want new set of national hero. We want some new set of national hero. New people. New national heroes. Live national heroes. Live national heroes. So the youth them can stand on the street and say, yes, Mr. Usain Bolt, national hero. You know what I mean? Come on, man. Life we promote, man. Life. Yes. That me I say, brother. Life. So if you don't want a national hero or you want somebody to make national hero, look towards somebody who is alive and doing great things in the earth. Or who have done great things in the earth. Like a Usain Bolt who have done so much great things in Jamaica. And put Jamaica on the map on a world stage. Your overs. So when you stop pressure the government about make Bob Mal national hero, well good that I go done to Jamaica. Make Usain Bolt him alive, him can attract people if he come in at Jamaica, come invest and something, whatever. Stop moving no crocus back and garbage and go sit down here, man. I want to see somehow now.